Look up at the old gray mountain. Look out across Table Bay. People are saying that it's time to go, but my heart tells me to stay. While the sun keeps shining, the wind keeps blowing, thinking of staying, are you thinking of going away? I listen to these sad conversations, I listen to these points of view. The talk is somber in this troubled town, and where to go and what to do. While the sun keeps shining, the wind keeps blowing, thinking of staying, are you thinking of going away? As for me, I don't think that I'll be leaving. I'll be longing, I'll be staying where I was born. All these people are my people, these places are my places. It's not easy to mend a heart once it's been torn. No more pictures in the newspapers, there's no more news on the TV screen. The words I whisper